Once upon a time, in a land where dreams danced with the stars and laughter filled the air, there lived a beautiful doll named Barbie. She resided in a cozy pink palace, nestled amidst rolling hills and fragrant gardens, where every flower seemed to bloom brighter in her presence. Barbie wasn't just any doll, she was the epitome of elegance, grace, and kindness, beloved by children far and wide. Barbie's days were filled with adventure and wonder. From morning till dusk, she would explore the enchanting corners of her magical kingdom, accompanied by her loyal friends, a spirited group of dolls who shared in her zest for life. There was Skipper, her ever-curious sister, Ken, the dashing prince who stole her heart, and a host of other companions, each with their own unique charm. One sunny morning, as Barbie and her friends gathered for breakfast in the palace garden, they noticed a peculiar sight. A tiny fairy, fluttering on delicate wings, had lost her way and landed amidst the flowers. Her name was Twinkle, and she was the guardian of a distant realm, where dreams were woven into the fabric of reality. But something had gone awry in her world, and now she found herself stranded in Barbie's kingdom. Ever the compassionate soul, Barbie rushed to Twinkle's side, offering her a helping hand. With a gentle smile, she listened as the fairy recounted her tale of woe, how an evil sorceress had cast a dark spell, shrouding the land in shadows and stealing away the dreams of its inhabitants. Twinkle had bravely set out to seek aid from the wise old wizard, hoping to find a way to restore light to her world. Touched by Twinkle's plight, Barbie vowed to assist her in any way she could. Gathering her friends close, she embarked on a journey across the mystical lands, guided by the flickering light of hope that burned bright within their hearts. Through dense forests and sparkling streams, they ventured forth, facing challenges and overcoming obstacles with unwavering courage. Along the way, they encountered a host of fantastical creatures, from mischievous elves to majestic unicorns, each offering their own unique gifts to aid them on their quest. Together, they braved the darkest depths of the enchanted forest, where shadows danced in the moonlight, and whispered secrets lingered in the air. At last, they reached the towering spires of the wizard's tower, where the wise old sage awaited them with a twinkle in his eye. With his ancient wisdom and powerful magic, he revealed the key to defeating the sorceress, a shimmering crystal, forged from the purest dreams of the realm. But to retrieve it, they would have to venture deep into the heart of the sorceress's lair, where danger lurked at every turn. Undeterred, Barbie and her friends pressed onward, their spirits ablaze with determination. Through labyrinthine corridors and treacherous traps, they journeyed, their bond of friendship serving as their guiding light. And when they finally reached the heart of the lair, they faced the sorceress in a battle of wills and wits. With courage in her heart and love in her soul, Barbie confronted the sorceress, wielding the power of dreams against the darkness that had consumed her world. And as the final rays of sunlight pierced the shadows, the sorceress's spell was broken, and the land was bathed in a glorious glow of hope and renewal. In the end, Barbie and her friends stood triumphant, their hearts overflowing with joy and gratitude. With Twinkle's realm restored to its former glory, the fairy bid farewell to her newfound friends, promising to return whenever they needed her light to guide their way. And so, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Barbie and her friends returned home to their pink palace, where a feast awaited them in celebration of their victory. And as they danced beneath the moonlight, their laughter echoed across the land, testament to the power of friendship, courage, and love in the face of darkness. For in Barbie's world, dreams were not just figments of the imagination, they were the threads that bound their hearts together, forever and always.